How to delete your Brawl Star account. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on the three signs all the way to the right corner. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on settings. Once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said delete my account. Then once you do that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down, click on delete my data. As you guys can see, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to just tell them what happened, why you want to delete your account. And as you guys can see, they tell you this information right here. Keep in mind, you won't be able to play any account of this game for 30 days while GDPR deletion is taking place. So make sure you cannot play no games. If you do, your account is going to come back. So it does take 30 days to deactivate it, basically delete it. So just click on I agree to delete my data. Now, if I select on delete account, they're going to work towards deleting my account. That's something I don't want, but if you want it, you could click on that and they're going to delete your account. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.